Here's how to increase in crochet. When we increase, this means we work 2 or more stitches into the same stitch, making the round larger. While you can use any type of stitch to increase, today I'm going to show you how to do a single crochet increase. So first, we're going to insert our hook into the stitch, yarn over, and pull it through to bring up a loop. Yarn over again and pull through both loops, and there we've made our first single crochet. I'm going to insert my hook back into that same stitch, yarn over, pull through to bring up a loop, yarn over again and pull through to make my second single crochet stitch, and there I've made 1 single crochet increase. So going over this again, I'm going to insert my hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, then I've made my first single crochet, insert my hook into the same stitch, yarn over, and there I've made my second single crochet, and there I've made another single crochet increase. And that's how you do an increase in crochet.